Hi everyone, this is the tutorial for the violin melody to Don't Worry Be Happy. Okay, here is how the tune should go. It's a bit slower than on the track so that you can hear it nicely. So. 1, 2. 1, 2. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and. 1, 2. 1, 2. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first thing I'd like to point out is that we have swing quavers. That means when we have runs, they are long, short. They don't go like this, but they go like this. So just watch out for that. And the second thing is that it's low second finger on the A string. That's the note C. It's not C sharp, which is stretched seconds. Now, if you can play along with that, great. If you want me to tell you a bit more about it and break it slower, then carry on watching. So the first note is C. Second on the A, low second. Then we've got A, third on the D, back to A. You can use open string, but I use fourth. Then we've got first on the D, G, G, D, C, D, E, D, D, C, D, E, D. We've got to count 2 rests and then another 2 rests. Then we've got G, E, D, C, G, E, D, C. Just do it once, that was twice. D, E, D. That is slower. D, E, D. Then we've got some more rests and then E, D, C, A, C. C and A are on the G string, it's third and first. And if I speed that up, it goes E, D, C, A, C.